How much does it cost to own a Mercedes-Benz C-Class W204? I've heard many people say that in Malaysia specifically, if it's your first Continental car, W204 is the car to go for. Why? Firstly, like most Continental cars, the used car price is very reasonable. Second, there are many W204 out there that is still in great condition. Number three, the parts are easily attainable and they are affordable. Number four, it was built to last. And number five, it is at the right age where it is not old enough, it's not dated, there's not a lot of fixes to do to upkeep your car. You can drive it daily. And on the other hand, it's not new, where there's a lot of modern sophistication that you might encounter. But these are all hearsays and opinions. So let's go into the actual cost of owning this car. This special episode marks the 3rd anniversary of owning this car. I had it just weeks before the lockdown. And also, I recently hit 1,000 subscribers. Thank you very much for your support. I'm really proud of the milestone, especially when my content is catered for a very niche group of viewers. So I'm going to spill you the numbers. For the last 3 years, I have spent 45,793 ringgit and 90 cents for this car, which is slightly more than the amount I paid to buy this car. And that is roughly 15,000 ringgit per year. Now, I'm gonna minus all the costs that I have incurred on cosmetics, improvements, or modifications. Because if you go to that route, it will be unlimited. I have some friends that paid way over the price that they paid for their car on upgrades. So I'm gonna minus that. I have spent 17,567 ringgit and 10 cents. So that leaves us to 28,126 ringgit and 80 cents. That's 9,375 ringgit and 60 cents per year, or 781 ringgit and 30 cents per month upkeeping this car. Now let's look into the actual maintenance. So I'm going to minus all the costs on Puspacom fees, 3 years road tax and insurance renewal. I have spent 8,234 ringgit and 60 cents on Puspacom fees, road tax and insurance renewal. Note that it is a hefty sum because when I renew my insurance, I take all the options under the sun, including 3,000 ringgit for my mirror, flood, unlimited towing, and I also insure my car at the maximum preferred price rather than the market price. So that leaves us to the maintenance, 19,892 ringgit and 20 cents. That is the actual amount that I have spent upkeeping this car, which is 6,630 ringgit per year or 552 ringgit per month. Do note that I'm a heavy user of this car. I have driven this car for 84,000 kilometers in the past 3 years, which is roughly 28,000 kilometers per year. And that includes 3 lockdowns and 1.5 years working from home. It consists 10 services, 2 times changing transmission oil, 2 times changing brake pads and brake discs, 1 time changing axle oil, headlamp switch, wiper sensor, wiper pump, some touch-ups in the interiors, and many more. Let me know in the comments below whether it's expensive or whether it's reasonable, or whether it's cheap, in fact. Because for me, I can't compare. I never had any Continental cars before, nor did I have any JDM cars that is comparative to this car. So I hope this episode helps you in making decisions whether you want to opt for a W204 or any other Continental cars. Share this with your friends, colleagues, relatives that is considering on buying a W204. And if you like this video, hit the subscribe and like button. See you on the next episode.